Should you refinance your car? Is it time to lower that monthly payment? It is 100 degrees outside. Let's go back into the studio.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing a very important topic that could potentially put hundreds, if not thousands of dollars back into your pocket. And that is refinancing your current vehicle. So if you have a car that you bought in the last year or two and your payment is simply too high, you may want to watch this video until the very end. Also, I will cover a very important website at the end of this video that can save you a ton of money, especially if you plan on refinancing your car. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. So first thing is first, what is refinancing? Refinancing is simply replacing an old car loan with a new car loan. Most of the times people refinance in order to get a lower payment, a lower interest rate, and in order to pay off the car much faster. Also, people refinance simply because they do not want to waste a ton of money on interest every single month. There are many reasons to refinance your vehicle, but most of them is to keep more of your money in your own pocket. Alright, now let's get to the juicy part. Why should you even consider refinancing your car loan? Reason number one, it is to lower your interest rate. If over the last year or two, your credit score has gone up big time, you improved it, chances are you'll be able to get a lower interest rate. The lower your interest, the lower your monthly payment, and the more money you will keep in your pocket. Also, if interest rates have dropped and your credit score has stayed the same, chances are you'll be able to refinance and lock in a lower interest rate. A lot of times, if you are able to decrease your interest rate by even 0.5%, sometimes even 1%, you can end up saving hundreds of dollars every single month on your car payment. When it comes to interest, every percentage counts, and every percentage can affect your finances big time. So the lower your interest rate, the better. Reason number two, it is to get a lower monthly payment. If you lock in a lower interest rate, your monthly payment on your vehicle will go lower. A lot of people are able to lower their payment anywhere between $25 all the way up to $250. Just imagine if you were somewhere in between and you were able to lower your payment by $150. That $150 you can use to save up for an emergency, you can use it to purchase groceries, you can use it to invest, or you can use it to pay off your car much faster. Or you can use all that extra money that you won't be spending on your vehicle to treat yourself out once in a while. Reason number three, you'll be able to pay off your car much faster. Let's say your current car payment is $400 every month. After you refinance, it drops it down to $300 a month. But you want to pay the car off much faster and you want to save years of interest. You can simply continue to make the same $400 payment. Thus, that extra $100 that you would have normally kept, you can put it towards the principal. The more money you apply to the principal, the faster you are going to pay off your car. So by simply putting more money towards the principal of the loan, you can have your car paid off in a lot shorter period of time. Instead of 6 years, you can pay it off in 4. And finally, reason number four is more financial flexibility. When you refinance, you can extend the term of the loan. Let's say you have 3 years till your car is paid off. You can extend it to 4 or 5, making your payment much lower. It all depends on your financial situation. So if you are in a very difficult financial situation and you know deep down you won't be able to make those car payments for long, chances are refinancing will be able to help you lower that payment and keep your car. Worst thing is paying on a vehicle for 2, 3, 4 years and then it gets repossessed by the bank. So refinancing can definitely help you out, especially if you are in a tight financial situation. And who knows, maybe your financial situation improves and you can pay off the car much faster. Life happens and sometimes you need a little extra breathing room. So when is the right time to refinance? Honestly, it could be right now. If the interest rates have dropped, chances are you'll be able to lock in a lower rate and a lower monthly payment. It never hurts to check all the different options that are available to you. Also, if you purchased a car in the last year or two, chances are you ended up purchasing at the highest interest rate at that time. And right now the interest rates are dropping, so you will definitely be able to get a lower interest rate. Also, if your credit score has improved, you might want to check out the refinancing website in the description box below and see what type of options are available to you. The lower the interest rate, the more of your hard-earned money you'll get to keep. A simple refinance can be a game changer for your financial situation. But here's a pro tip: don't wait too long. The earlier you refinance, the more you save over the life of your loan. And now let's talk about how you actually refinance, and is it complicated? The first thing that you have to do is you have to check your current interest rate that you have on your car loan. If your car loan interest rate is at 10%, you want to remember that number. When you are shopping around, you want to get an interest rate that is lower than 10%. You also want to check the balance of your loan and the term. Is it 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years? All three of these pieces of information you can find on your regular statement, and they will definitely help you when it comes to refinancing and finding the best deal for you. And once you have all of that, it is time to start shopping. And that is where the magic happens. In the description box below, I have linked an awesome online tool that helps you compare rates from multiple lenders in minutes. Just like shopping for car insurance, you want to make sure that you are getting the best deal possible. And the best part, most of the time, you can do this without even leaving your house. And now let's recap the benefits of refinancing your car. First off, lower interest rate, lower monthly payment, paying your car off much faster, and finally more financial flexibility. The way I see it, it is a win-win-win-win situation. So what are you waiting for? Check out the website below and see how much money you can save. It is very important to take control of your financial future. Why give these banks extra money when you don't have to? Alright everybody, that concludes the video. Let me know in the comment section below how much is your car payment and what interest rate are you locked in. Let me know in the comments, and as always, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you the next video. Peace out.